Hi everyone! Welcome to Garden Time with Miss Rebecca. Today's topic is gardening tools. Really, all you need to garden is sun, soil, seeds, and water. But a lot of gardening is hard work that is made much easier with the right tools. Today, we are going to learn all about gardening tools and what they are used for. The hand shovel or trowel. Whether you're gardening in pots, a raised bed, or directly in your yard, a hand shovel is a must-have tool. You use it to dig up or turn up the ground or soil. The hand rake. You use the hand rake to smooth out soil, remove weeds and other debris like leaves, stems, and roots, and you also use the hand rake to move, turn up, and dig soil. The hand pruners or shears. Hand pruners are used mostly to cut branches or stems. You can also use them like scissors to cut open garden supplies and to trim other plants. Only adults should use hand pruners. The weeder. Weeds can be a pain and take over your garden, and sometimes you have to remove them. The weeder is designed to remove weeds or plants with taproots. The tips or prong dig down and grab the root, which makes it easier to pull out. Garden gloves. You may not think of these as a tool, but garden gloves are one of the most important tools. Not only do they protect your hands from getting dirty, but they also protect your hands from injury. Garden hat or sun hat. Sun protection is a must when you are gardening or working outside. When outside, certain parts of your skin are exposed that may not normally be. Along with a good hat, you will make sure to put on sunscreen and to have a bottle of water so you stay hydrated. Watering and source of water. You are going to need to get water to your plants. There are many ways that you can do this. You can use a hose with or without a spray nozzle. You can use a watering can, and you can use a spray bottle for any plants that might not need their roots saturated in water. Other gardening tools you will need, depending on where you're going to be gardening, are going to be seeds, soil, and pots, and maybe a raised bed. Some other gardening tools or items I like to have on hand for when I'm getting ready to plant or sow my seeds are toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls, an empty egg carton, popsicle sticks, and a Sharpie for marking and writing what my plants are. And now we know all about gardening tools and what we need to start gardening. Tune in tomorrow, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your plants. Bye for now.